In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use different views in a Notion database. If you work with a lot of information in Notion, using multiple views can make your database much easier to manage. Different views let you look at the same data in different ways, so you can focus on exactly what you need without changing the actual content of the database. This is especially useful when you want one setup for planning, another for tracking progress, and another for reviewing deadlines. To get started, open a Notion database. This can be any database you already use, whether it's for tasks, projects, content planning, or anything else. Once the database is open, look at the top area of the database where the current view name appears. In that same area, click the View menu. This is where Notion lets you manage the way your database is displayed. From there, create a new view. Notion will give you several view types to choose from, and each one is designed for a different kind of workflow. You can choose a table if you want a classic spreadsheet style layout. A board view is helpful for visual task management, especially if you like moving items between stages. A calendar view is great for date-based planning. List view keeps things simple and clean. Gallery view works well when you want larger preview cards, and timeline view is useful for project scheduling over time. After choosing the view type that best matches your goal, rename the view based on its purpose. Giving each view a clear, practical name will help you stay organized later, especially if you create several views for the same database. For example, the name should reflect what that view is meant to show, so you can switch to it quickly without guessing. Next, add filters to show only specific items. Filters are useful when you want to narrow down the database and remove distractions. This allows you to focus only on entries that match certain conditions, depending on what you need to review. Then add sorting to organize the information. Sorting helps bring structure to the view. Whether you want to see items in a particular order or make the database easier to scan at a glance, filters and sorting work really well together. So once both are set up, the view becomes much more useful. Finally, switch between views depending on what you need to see. That's one of the biggest advantages of using Notion views. You don't need multiple databases to manage different perspectives. You can keep one set of information and move between layouts whenever your focus changes. Once you get used to this, your Notion workspace becomes much more flexible and efficient.